You know what I can do? I can make my blueprint out of pencils. Just in case nobody messes with them. Let me see if I can build it like this.
Is it finished, Ginger?
Yes, Juicy is finished.
Sorry.
Oh!
Okay.
Oh!
Thank you.
I still... Yes.
Be a good boy.
Yes. Okay.
Brunani, next time I go inside to bring a garbage bag, okay?
Hey Nana, when you get inside, can you get a garbage bag?
Not now! When I go in. Okay, thank you, honey.
But I just wanted to tell you.
Okay.
You're big. It's big. I did not want to do this. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Mommy's coming a little bit to make me my blueprint.
You?
My blueprint. Mommy.
Okay.
Mommy's very good at making blueprints.
I can make blueprints too.
Okay.
But I have to know where I'm making it up.